Ever seen a tool so genius it makes you wonder, how did I live without this? That's exactly what we do at NextToolX. We hunt down the smartest, craziest, game-changing gadgets on the planet. What you're about to see will blow your mind. Hit subscribe right now and never miss what's next. Only on NextToolX. Ever had that one screw disappear into thin air while you're fixing something? Frustrating, right? This magnetic screwdriver set is a total lifesaver. With 118 precision bits, it handles everything. Phones, laptops, glasses, you name it. The grip is solid, the tips lock in tight. And here's the kicker. Drop a screw, the magnetic tray holds it safe. No more crawling on the floor. It's like having a pro repair kit in your pocket. Trust me, once you use this, you'll never go back to a regular screwdriver. You know that back-breaking squat you do when fixing your car? Forget it. This heavy-duty mechanics tool is a total game-changer. Built from solid steel, it holds up to 250 pounds and rolls smooth on any surface with 360-degree casters. The wide padded seat keeps you comfortable, and the waterproof surface wipes clean in seconds. Best part? The tool tray underneath, organized, right within reach. No more standing up and hunting for a wrench. Whether you're detailing your ride, repairing furniture, or working in the garage, this stool turns hard work into smooth work. Ever tried fixing something in the dark with one hand holding a flashlight and the other fumbling for tools? Nightmare, right? That's why this tool backpack is a total game changer. Built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels shines right where you need it. Inside, 53 pockets. Everything from screwdrivers to drill bits has a spot. Plus, padded straps mean you can haul it anywhere without killing your back, and the tough base keeps it standing strong. For pros or DIY heroes, this isn't just a bag. It's your mobile workshop. This digital caliper is going viral because it makes precision feel effortless. It measures anything from 0 to 12 inches with insane accuracy, down to 1/1000th of an inch. Made from stainless steel, it's tough, waterproof, and way more reliable than those cheap plastic ones. With a single button, you can instantly switch between inches, millimeters, or fractions. No calculator needed. And whether it's depth, diameter, or tiny step measurements, this tool nails it all. From mechanics to woodworkers, even jewelers, everyone's calling it the must-have measuring gadget of the year. Picture this. You're hanging shelves, framing a wall, or laying down flooring, but the lines just won't stay straight. That's where this 4x360-degree green laser level changes everything. It projects laser lines across your walls, ceilings, and floors with pinpoint accuracy, so every project looks pro. The best part? You can control it from your phone, adjust brightness, switch modes, even check battery life without touching the device. And with its long-lasting rechargeable batteries, it never quits on you. Once you try it, you'll never eyeball a project again. This tile vibration tool changes the game. Instead of banging with hammers or struggling with suction cups, it uses high-frequency vibration to lock tiles perfectly flat. No air gaps, no shifting. It grips tiles up to 350 pounds, so even oversized slabs stay in place. Cordless, 10-hour battery, and 12 vibration speeds for any surface. Ceramic, marble, porcelain, you name it. Whether it's a bathroom wall, a kitchen floor, or an outdoor patio, this tool makes every tile job look pro-level with half the effort. Installing siding solo? Usually a nightmare. You're measuring, holding, and nailing all at once. Total chaos. But this? The gecko gauge is like having an extra set of hands. It clamps the siding perfectly in place, locks at the exact height, and holds even a 16-foot board without slipping. That means straighter lines, faster installs, and zero frustration. In fact, pros say it cuts labor time by almost 50%. Built tough, won't scratch your siding, and turns a two-man job into a one-man breeze. For contractors or DIYers, this is the siding hack you didn't know you needed. Messy caulk lines ruin the look of your bathroom or kitchen, right? That's why pros love this Saker 3-in-1 caulking tool. One side scrapes out old, cracked caulk in seconds. Flip it, and you've got a silicone smoother for that clean, pro finish. No tape, no fuss. Stainless steel blade for tough jobs, silicone pads for the perfect glide, showers, sinks, windows. This thing handles it all. Whether you're fixing a leak or just making your tiles look brand new, this little tool saves time, saves mess, and makes any job look pro-level. Ever wrestled with a garden hose that tangles, leaks, or never quite reaches where you need it? This isn't just a hose reel, it's a game changer. With 100 feet of freeze-proof, burst-proof hose, you can lock it at any length and hit every corner of your yard. And when you're done, just give it a pull. The auto-retract system rolls it back perfectly. No kinks, no mess, just smooth and reliable. Built tough, tested at 600 psi, this hose reel makes watering easy, clean, and actually fun. Ever get stuck needing a tool when you're nowhere near your toolbox? That's where this little beast, the All-Tull Wolf, saves the day. It's a 5-in-1 multi-tool that rides on your keychain, bottle opener, wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, even a box cutter. Made of stainless steel, it's slim, tough, and lighter than a car key, but punches way above its weight. Whether you're cracking open a drink, tightening a screw, or ripping into packages, this wolf's got your back. Forget bulky gear, carry this, and you're always prepared. Ever tried crimping thick battery cables with those cheap hand tools? It's a nightmare. That's why pros use this 10-ton hydraulic crimping tool. With 9 precision dies, it crushes copper, aluminum, and even stainless steel cable lugs in seconds. No slips, no bad connections. The ergonomic grip makes every squeeze effortless, and the quick swap dies save you time on the job. Whether you're wiring up a car, building a railing, or running power cables, this tool delivers clean, solid crimps every single time. This pocket hole jig kit is blowing up because it makes every drill perfectly clean and stable. It's built from heavy-duty aluminum, so it won't bend, and it locks long boards rock solid. No shake, no drift. The adjustable depth means whether it's thin wood or thick planks, you get pro-level joints every time. Plus, the titanium drill bit cuts smooth holes without tearing, and the chip outlet keeps things clean. From furniture builds to quick repairs, this little kit turns any DIY project into flawless work. Ever tried cutting PVC pipe with a dull saw, messy edges, wasted time, total frustration? This little beast changes everything. The razor-sharp SK5 steel blade slices pipes clean and smooth. No frays, no uneven cuts. And thanks to the ratchet mechanism, it locks step by step, so every squeeze takes less effort but delivers more power. It's lightweight, durable, and safe, with a lock buckle so it won't snap shut in your toolbox. Perfect for plumbing, irrigation, even auto repairs. One cut with this tool, and you'll never go back. Forget those clunky old staple guns. This little beast is a game changer. It's a 2-in-1 cordless stapler and nail gun that fits right in your hand. Need to redo a chair cushion? Bam! Fix fabric, leather, or soft wood? Done! It charges fast, shoots up to 1,000 staples on a single charge, and has triple safety locks, so you don't fire it by mistake. It's lightweight, wireless, and crazy easy to use, even in tight spots. Whether you're into DIY, quick repairs, or weekend projects, this tool turns you into a pro instantly. Imagine digging through a messy toolbox, wasting time hunting for the right wrench. Frustrating, right? That's why the Bucket Boss is genius. Slip it over any 5-gallon bucket, and instantly, you've got 30 pockets plus loops for hammers and drills. Everything right where you need it. The center stays open for nails, screws, or bulk gear. Built from tough ripstop fabric, it's not just storage, it's a portable workshop. That's a wrap for today, but don't just scroll away. I actually read every single comment, so drop your thoughts below. And if you love discovering genius gadgets, Hit that subscribe button right now. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Only on Next Tool X.